Censorship, lockdowns, all your control. Built your throne on a house of gold. Now you panic, now you cry. Tears don't work, truth don't lie. The games are done, the mask fell off. No more lies, we've had enough. You played with fire, now taste the flame. This time, we're naming names. Faithful, fuck around and find out. You tried to rule, but your time ran out. Faithful, the silent won't stay quiet now. We're taking back what you burned to the ground. You called us threats, you called us extreme, but we remember everything. From 24 and beyond, take your bets, 'cause guess what? We ain't done yet. Faithful, fuck around and find out. Your kingdom's crumbled, your luck ran out. Faithful, no more games, no more doubts. You lit the fire, now it's burning you down.
Hello, everyone. I got to fix my camera. Hey, everyone. Hope you guys had a great day today. I'm going to do a super fast one. I won't be answering any questions. I have to get to bed. Yeah, it was awesome today, Joe. You know what? You didn't have to be a great trader today to make money, honestly. And really, I did follow my levels. You made oh my gosh. Yeah, I got out early. Could have made much more, but I still did pretty good. Almost 7 today. So good day for me. Great day for you. Congrats, dude. That's awesome. Congrats. That is so good. Hopefully you did it trading this strategy, because man, that would be so cool. Maybe not, but that would be cool. So anyway, I'm going to get into my trades. Like I said, I'm going to do it fast here. I got into Home Depot. Home Depot had news, so I wanted to see Home Depot over 382, and that's what we got. First thing right out of the gates, we pushed down, we hit this level, we wicked up off, got back, got up to here, pushed above all the levels, all three, my cyan, all four, my 382, the 200 EMA, and the 20 EMA, and closed. I got in right here. I just told the group I'm going to get in a runner. If it comes back below the 20 EMA, I'm going to hop out. Well, as you can see, I didn't have to worry about that. It kept right on going. I did not get in that many, but I did profit really well. I got into 5 contracts. They were 650 each. 650 each, the contracts that I got in. So, you know, I was in what, you know, 30 or 3,000, 3,500, whatever, somewhere around there, 3,500. And that's basically what I'm trying to get this thing to get off there. Okay. I'm trying to trade starting out around $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. So I got in on this one. I exited a couple here. Or let me look at my screen real quick. I think I exited. Did I exit 1? No, I did exit 2. I exited 2 on this big push up here. And so I was able to lock in a decent amount of profit on this push. I held this all the way until this push right here, and it started to come down a little. I went ahead and took 2 more off. After that, I just held 1, and I held that 1 all the way to, I let it ride the 20. I did not get out on this pullback, and the reason I didn't is I was busy, so I didn't. Oh, actually, it was this one I didn't get out. Of course, I wouldn't have. Here's where I exited. I exited right here. So I thought my exit was up here. My exit was right here, and I made $2,095 on that trade, man. That was a great trade. Only 5 contracts. So super good, super easy. Once again, just following the rules. I haven't been trading futures, but there's a couple guys in the group that's just absolutely destroying futures with this strategy. It's so good. Matter of fact, it's hilarious because we'll be trading and they'll be done in like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. They're like, I'm done, I'm out. And they've already met their quota. I think today one guy he did like, he was up 3,000 in, heck, I think maybe 2 minutes. And so he took profit and moved on. So excellent, you know, easy day, easy read. Like I said, it didn't take a rocket scientist. Now, I traded against the market on IHD, but I really was confident with my levels. And once it got above this red and kept doing this, I was solid. The only thing I would have got out if this price had come back below my 20 and my red LRC. If that had happened, I would have exited the trade. Outside of that, I rode it up to here and got out on this red candle right here. So great trade. Initial target was 400. I wasn't sure if it was going to get there. It did, of course, and then that's where it stopped. So I could have rode it to 400. Would not have picked up a whole lot more profit. Matter of fact, it may not have been any more profit, really. Maybe a little bit more, but with the deterioration and this much time and only this much movement, it may have been just a minimal amount. So my exit, I'm very happy with that. It was excellent. I did have a Microsoft trade that just didn't go. It did everything I wanted it to do. I waited. I was patient. I was, you know, waited for the setup to work out. And it just stayed sideways for the longest time. But I'm not even in the right place. What am I doing? I don't know why whatchamacallit, TOS does that sometimes. Just puts you way out for no freaking reason at all. So Microsoft, I got in at 942 and I got in 10 contracts. I got in puts. And what I was waiting to, now I did front run this a little bit. And once again, I did call that out to the group. I let the guys know, like, hey, I wanted to wait for it to break it. And it did break it here. But right here is where I entered. I entered actually right here on this candle when it pushed down, 942 candle. Yep. It got right here. I entered right there on looking for this to push and flush this area. And mainly because what I was watching, I did get my move eventually. It caused me to kind of FOMO out late, but I think it's because I lose my patience. Um, I was watching this right here. This is key, man. If you get this off of an LRC, hang in there. You don't have to get out. You're still below your 200. Make your LRC right here your absolute stop out. So that's what happened with me. I got in 10 contracts. I held. I could have taken a little profit. It was not bad profit right here, but I still didn't take profit. I waited. Oh, wait a minute. I think I did scale there. My apologies. Let me pull up my trading chart over here. And look at that. I think I did. Oh, nope, I did not. Actually, my first profit take was all the way over in this area right here. Okay, so I held through all of this. I got this move. I took profit going down on this candle. So I locked in 5. I held, believe it or not, held all the way through. I think this was my final exit was right. Where was it? 11, 10. Yeah, right here. Right here was my final. Oh no. Okay. I took profit, more profit here on this pullback. So I took 5 off. I held through here. I took 3 off. I held through here and I took 1102. It says 1102 right here. I took the remaining 2 or 3 off, whatever I had left. Two. So I did. I guess I did 3, 1, and 2. So anyway, I ended up with $985 profit. Wasn't bad. It wasn't. I wasn't drawdown. So don't get me wrong. I was down like $700-800 on this push up right here. But once it got down here, I think I scaled out way soon. I scaled out like as it was hitting the red LRC. So I didn't get this whole move down. I would have probably profited $1,400, but I ended up with 985. So good trade nonetheless. Not a great trade. It just wasn't going anywhere, but finally it moved. And then my last trade, and I didn't trade after this, didn't need to. You can see what I got. I mean, it doesn't get any cleaner than that on SPY. So I waited for all of this. I got in at 944. Well, that's the absolute perfect scenario for this trading strategy. You got consolidation, you break your 20, your 200, and your LRC right here. I entered right there on that candle. Right when this candle went past it, I entered 5 contracts. I scaled. Let me look at where I scaled so I can give you the rundown. Yeah, this one I didn't have to do too much. I scaled on this big push here. I scaled out. It pulled back. I didn't do anything. I scaled 4 off. So I took 4 off. I locked in quite a bit of profit on this push. I held 1 all the way until, and this is the thing that got me. I literally got out this candle right here, 1008. I got out right there for $3,670 contract. And then this happened. And I went back and looked, and I would have been up another like 7,000 on this big move down. It was insane. So, or maybe 6. I think it's like 6,000. But on top, I would have had like about a $10,000 trade with this whole trade if I had just stayed in that one. It was crazy. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. Had a great day. Oh yeah, the PLTR was a good trade too, man. Yep. Great trade, dude. Well, hey, I appreciate you coming by. This one I'm cutting very short. I have things I've got to get done. If you guys are interested in trading live with us every day, the link will be in the description down below. Also, we have a free membership. You can come in there, hang out, ask questions, learn this strategy, learn other strategies, get to know the community. Pretty cool place. And once again, if you would, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, so you get notified, and hit that notification button so you know when I put out a new video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great evening. Thanks for watching.